Hey Maddie, where are we?
The zoo.
What are we looking at?
The little monkeys.
Yeah, are they your favorite so far?
Mm-hmm.
Where are they?
Hi, everyone.
They're cute.
Come on, little monkey.
You can't really reach.
Yeah. Hi, Hoopu. Hello.
You want some more? Throw it to him. He can't reach him.
Throw him the pellet, Boo Boo Bear.
Mom,
Here, can I throw it?
No, I want you to look me
I
up.
can't lift you up.
Creepy little alien. Yeah, you want it? You want it?
58 kilometers per hour.
Ollie. Look at him get it with his tail, Maddie.
You want one?
Yeah. How does it get
My
up?
whole hand.
Okay.
Ask Auntie Ariel to lift you up and then you can do it.
Is here, Ariel?
You grab it or what? See that? I ain't grabbing it.
Not paying attention.
Hey, look at that monkey! Look at that monkey! Yeah. Look at that monkey!
Come here, Maddie.
He's trying his tail out. Okay.
They're tricking us. Look, they're peeping out and then going back in. They're tricking us. Oh, they're going to play. They're going to play just for you. They're playing.
Come here.
I was want to do them more.
Oh, he's feeding the big one.
We saw the hippos fight each other.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, he got the big...
Now what are we doing at the zoo?
We're going to fish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are we going to catch anything?
Yep.
What's our day been like so far?
So beautiful and go fishing and
What kind of animals have we seen?
monkeys and lions and cats
And zebras?
and zebras.
Yeah, are we having a good time?
Yep.
What else are we going to do today?
We're going to get our face painted.
Gonna get our face painted and see the bird show?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Are we gonna buy a souvenir at the end?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, say see you later, guys.
See you later.